Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up a hotkeys in OBS. And as you can see, I'm using actually Streamlabs OBS, but that doesn't matter because they're same things. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and to learn how to do it. So yeah, let's move on point how to do it. So first, when you're on your OBS, just click here on settings and then search for hotkeys. Here we go, and from here you can add a hotkeys to start recording, to stop recording. As you can see, my hotkey is F2. You can start streaming. Let's say enable studio mode is our F3, like this. You can click on plus, and actually you can have more than one hotkey. Yeah, if you want to delete some hotkey, just click the minus like this. And yeah, that was it. How to add, how to delete, how to disable, how to set up hotkeys in OBS. And if I helped you out, just make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, that was it. See you next video. Bye.